Okay, let's dive into 3 pro secrets for getting your YouTube shorts to go viral. So, are you working hard on your shorts, but they're just stuck at 1,000 views? Well, it's probably because you're making the same mistakes 99% of creators do. Let's fix that. All right, secret number 1, you've got to master your thumbnail. It's that critical first impression. Most people just let YouTube pick a random frame, but the pros, they handpick the most clickable moment. And it's super easy. Just tap that pencil icon, scrub to a suspenseful frame, and lock it in. Okay, moving on to secret number 2, smart titles and SEO. This is huge. Amateurs stuff their titles with emojis. Pros write short, punchy, keyword-rich titles. It makes a world of difference. So the winning formula is a keyword, a dash of suspense, and just a couple relevant hashtags. Now, this third secret is a total game changer. It's the unlisted advantage. Stop publishing right away. See, hitting publish right away can actually mess up your video quality. Scheduling as unlisted primes it. So what does this do? First, your video processes in beautiful full HD. Plus, it gets pre-checked for copyright stuff, so you don't get any nasty surprises later. And here's the kicker. It gives the algorithm time to figure out your video for a huge launch. But getting the click is only half the battle. You have to hook them in 3 seconds. One way is to spark their curiosity. Create a question in their mind that they need you to answer. Or you can lean into FOMO, the fear of missing out. Show them a trend they're late to. And finally, create a sense of urgency. Make them feel like they need to act right now. Use all these secrets together, and your shorts will be unstoppable. So what hook are you going to try?